Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a drive in this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Quick look at the multi-matic DSSVs right there because they're one of the best pieces about this. Anyhow, this is a POV drive, so I'm not going to talk too much. We're going to floor it though as soon as we hit the main road. You can see all the stats on the right hand side, and if you want to hear all my thoughts and an in-depth review with nice pictures and everything, just make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my whole thoughts. Let's unlock her. There we go. And hop in. Looks really mean. I like it a lot. It would be fun if we could just drive across, but I think people will get very mad at us if we do that. So, gotta stick to the roads in this one. Gotta stick to the roads. Okay, let's turn traction off. Perfect timing here. Go, gotta watch out with these guys, and pretty quick, as you can see. 308 horses from a 3.6 liter naturally aspirated V6, and yeah, honestly it's pretty nice coming from a few turbo engine, like smaller displacement turbo engines, to a bigger, 3.6 liters isn't that big, but to a bigger naturally aspirated engine, because it really just feels nice to drive. The throttle response is good, and just the way it builds torque, very satisfying compared to turbo engines, especially 2-liter turbos. Obviously, in the full review, we take a more in-depth look at the interior, but there's a lot of plastics in here, obviously, in this one. It is noticeably not the newest model, but I just noticed we have a grip over there, we have a handle over there, and not over here. I wonder why that is. It would be really useful to have a handle here, not gonna lie. Especially because we have the protectors on the side, right? So we don't bash against rocks with the body and the chassis, so we don't have a step, which means in this lifted truck it's kind of hard to get in and out sometimes, especially if you have to step over like a gap on the sidewalk. Anyhow, so I would really appreciate it if we have one here. I wonder why that is that we don't have one. Let's take this. Let's drive down underneath the Gardner, because is a bit of a bumpy road, which I mean it's not an issue for this truck, but it's nicer than being only in like stop and go traffic, I think. Let's stop here. Okay. Just gonna stand here for a minute anyway. Yeah, so that was a quick POV drive here in the city with the 2021 Colorado ZR2 or ZR2 for all my Canadians. And yeah, no, I think it's a pretty fun truck. Obviously, it's not meant for the city. There's other areas that are more suitable to this truck, which are a bit inaccessible right now due to COVID, so might not be the easiest to do that right now. Anyhow, like I said, the full review is either in the top right hand corner or on your left hand side in just a few seconds. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.